Welcome! In this video, we'll discuss how to address and resolve messenger call problems on your device. Here are the steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Firstly, ensure that Messenger has the necessary app permissions enabled on your device for making calls. Disable Data Saver in Messenger settings as it may restrict the app's ability to make calls smoothly. Check if your friend has removed or blocked you, as this can affect your ability to initiate calls with them. Remove any unauthorized apps and plugins that might be interfering with Messenger's call functionality. Clear the cache data of Messenger to eliminate any temporary files that could be causing call disruptions. Lastly, make sure to update Messenger to the latest version available. Updating the app can bring improvements and bug fixes that may resolve call-related issues. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and address Messenger call problems on your device. We hope this guide helps you in resolving any issues you may be experiencing with Messenger calls. Thank you for watching.